So that's a good question. Programming is very fundamentally different to coding, in my opinion, because the line is drawn after HTML and CSS. Once you build the layout, the design, the look and feel, let's call it, on the front, programming really goes beyond that and starts allowing you to build functionality, logic into what we interact with technology with. So for example, when you're booking in a taxi using an app, when you click a button, all that interface can be done in the environment of coding. Whereas programming really is what happens when you tap that button. What data is manipulated? How is information exchanged? All of that manipulation and interaction is caused by programming.